Hello everyone, welcome to Full Stomach Food Knowledge. I'm Tina, and as food will make you a fool, we learn from getting a taste of cultural diversity. Today we are going to explore a new world of delicacy, the Japanese food. When it comes to a typical example of Japanese food, we often think of sashimi. But is that true that we can eat sashimi only in Japan? Let's now try to discover the Japanese food in Taiwan. We all know that Taiwan has been influenced by Japanese culture, partly because of the historical background. So far, we could still see some buildings and infrastructures developed by the Japanese. What about food? How does the Japanese influence the food in Taiwan? In Taiwan, there's a unique culture of roadside banquet, the so-called banzhou, where special life events occur, like a wedding. Taiwanese people might hold a roadside banquet in which they sit in round tables, having a great meal together. Normally, each dish is prepared for 10 to 12 people who are going to share the food and get a portion in their bowl or plate. It shows the collective consciousness in the Taiwanese culture. For the most part, sashimi is served as a part of the order. Others might be seafood like lobster, squids, or mala rolls. However, different from the Japanese, who eat sashimi by putting a small amount of wasabi on one slice and dip it in soya sauce. The Taiwanese often stir a larger amount of wasabi with soya sauce and then dip sashimi in the mixed sauce. Besides sashimi, Claire is going to explore some more.
Hello, I'm Claire. I'm going to introduce the differences between Japanese lunchbox and Taiwanese lunchbox. In Japanese, it is called obendo. In Taiwanese, it is called 便当. Here are the differences between Japanese lunchbox and Taiwanese lunchbox. First, Japanese lunchboxes are cooked. This phenomenon may have to do with Japanese eating habits. Furthermore, no lunchbox heaters at schools or in the companies may also make Japanese get into the habit of eating cold food. As for Taiwanese lunchbox, Taiwanese tend to eat hot food. Moreover, due to the weather in Taiwan, which is humid and hot, there might be some food safety problems if Taiwanese eat cold food. What's more, Japanese lunchboxes tend to be cute. Foods are made in the form of cartoon characters. However, Taiwanese lunchboxes tend to be traditional. They often consist of vegetables, meat, stewed egg, and rice. The second difference between Japan and Taiwan is making sounds when eating. In Japan, making sounds when you eat ramen is considered good. This action is regarded as a praise. That is, you make sounds because the ramen is delicious. However, in Taiwan, people who make sounds when eating are considered impolite.
Hello, I'm Yiling, and I'm going to introduce eating habits in Taiwan and Japan. In Taiwan, adult population had increased over 70% of total population because of the mixed-use community of apartments, restaurants, and retail. We can find a convenience store or a restaurant within 10 minutes averagely. Compared with Taiwanese, Japanese prefer to eat at home. The most common thing we saw in Japanese dramas is that a Japanese wife wakes up early to make lunch boxes for her children or husband. As you can see, a lot of lunch boxes, also called obendo, are quite delicate. Sometimes, Japanese husbands have to go to izakaya. In Chinese, it's 居酒屋, with co-workers or even their boss. In terms of power distance, it's hard to refuse this kind of invitation, even though it happens in personal time. On the other hand, if you have meals with Japanese in a restaurant, you may find out that Japanese like to drink ice water, while Taiwanese quite like to drink ice-free water, because we believe that it is good for health. After watching reports, do you have a better understanding of the differences between Japan and Taiwan? What's more, What are the things you think interesting in today's news? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.